Overlooking the historic university city of Uppsala, Uppsala Castle has stood for centuries as one of Sweden's most important royal strongholds. Positioned on a ridge above the city, the castle symbolized royal authority during the rise of the Swedish state. The fortress was originally commissioned in the 16th century by King Gustav I Vasa, the ruler who helped establish modern Sweden after breaking away from the Kalmar Union. Its construction strengthened royal control over the region and protected the crown's interests. Unlike medieval castles built mainly for local defense, Uppsala Castle became deeply tied to national politics. It served as a royal residence, administrative center, and military fortress during a period when Sweden was expanding its power across northern Europe. The castle also witnessed dramatic events in Swedish history, including political imprisonments and royal conflicts. One of the most infamous moments was the Sture murders of 1567, when noblemen were killed during a period of political instability under King Erik XIV. Fires and wars repeatedly damaged the castle over the centuries, leading to major reconstructions. The structure seen today reflects Renaissance and later architectural influences rather than its original defensive medieval appearance. Today, Uppsala Castle houses museums, government offices, and cultural institutions, while continuing to dominate the skyline above the city. Looking out over Uppsala's cathedral and university district, it remains a lasting symbol of Sweden's royal and political history.